Got you on video. What? Uh-oh. Hey, you want to tell everybody what you've been up to the last 2 days?
Start with the four-wheeler.
Yeah, you might as well. Here. Go ahead.
Well, you gotta figure out that wrench too.
Wrench.
Or the new inch pound thing.
Yeah. Torque wrench.
Torque wrench, yeah. Inch one, not foot one.
I'll show you how you do
I tried and it wouldn't work. So I was messing with it the whole time. This.
it. Okay.
Well, at first I had gotten a new clutch lever and brake lever. I liked the design of the brake lever, so I got it. But this is metric and this is standard, so we're gonna try, I can't remember what that's called. We're gonna change the threads a little bit. It's not really much different. The camera's not focusing. The camera's being weird. Well, yeah, they're a little bit different. So, and then this over here, we're gonna, because it's a different plug-in. So, we're gonna have to figure something out about that. Maybe get the whole new thing. I don't know. Who knows? I don't know if Sorry, I got my gloves on. It's hard to change the thing around. 1 second. I grabbed my key for my four-wheeler. Battery's dead. Yeah. Getting a new battery on Thursday, I think. Tomorrow, I hope. So, should be fun. Get this thing running. I hope soon. So I can get my Banshee that I want. But yeah, Simcoe Car Show was really fun. I got 2 bikes. The bike I was looking for, I couldn't find. So, and I found one close to it. And I bought it for $50, which I'm gonna sell because it needs a lot of parts that it doesn't have on it. So, but Dad bought a really nice 40s 50s Shwinn. It's got the whole light setup. Here, I can show you. This is what I've been restoring the past couple days while Dad was at work. This was all just flakes and everything. But yesterday I was in a little bit of a hurry and I just sanded the bike down as best I could. And as soon as Dad got home, he told me to sandblast it because it looked like crap. Old paint didn't like the new paint, so it like flaked up. So yeah. Fun. So I bring the trailer up here, sandblasted it today. As you can see, sand everywhere. But yeah, I used 4 or 5 bags, which is more which is more than I used for the Power Wagon rims and rings. So yeah, the whole bike with the rims on the bike, the frame. I think the rest I did with the indoor one. Yeah. But right now I'm working on these, getting them smoothed out. This one I couldn't put in there, it was a little bit too big for it. I did get the front one in there, but Dad still went over it. He did this one, I am doing that one, I'm working on it. Smoothing it out, hopefully get it primered and painted tonight, so I can start getting everything together tomorrow while Dad's at work. So, yeah, we got a lot going on. Somebody painted the front light. It's I don't know if it's just another light just for it to be bright, I think. Somebody must have painted this and this only. And where is it? There's drip marks there. That was not for me. I knew it wasn't for me because I made sure it was all smooth before, or no. I have to make it smooth before I paint it again. Oops. Need new light bulbs. It's gonna be a cool bike when it's done. It's all wired to a generator that runs off the movement of the tire, which is actually really cool. So I don't need no batteries dying on me. Just a four-wheeler. I'm gonna get back to work on the fenders. I'm almost out of time, so I gotta go. Almost 7 minutes. So, see you next time, guys. Should be tonight or tomorrow. I'll make another video. Bye.